Okay, this is just going to be a quick video showing how to get one of these little clips onto the ball joint boot. So this is the ball joint that I just installed. And, here's the boot that came with it. So I'm just going to press this boot right on. Like that. Gotta make sure it's fully seated. Okay. Now to get the spring clip on, I'm just gonna use these 6-inch zip ties. Put one on each end, like this. It may help you to go ahead and tie these so that you can hold on to them. I'm just gonna hold them like this. And when I pull these apart, you'll see that the clip opens. So I'm going to pull it open, and then I'm just going to wiggle it around and press downwards to get it to snap into place. Once you get one end in the groove, you should be able to pull the other side down like that. You can see it's down in there. Since I didn't zip mine, I can just pull them right out. That's it. Just make sure it's fully seated, and you're good to go.